Hi, my name is Idris, and this is my ceiling fan. Look at that. You see that? This is a ceiling fan. It's nice. And that's all you got to do. And I just want to let you know because look at that. I don't give a fuck who you think you're talking to. So mind your own business. You heard me, boy? Because you don't talk trash to me. Except me. And one relationship because and when I have time for these, you don't have to go to store and in the cold water except me because you don't have to do this and put a running relationship. We're gonna make it our relationship, and because um hmm I think 2 hours and 3 hours because Pacific time and even in Covenant then. But I'll be alive chatting at 6. I think I'll be fun with Jack Griffo, and you don't have to do that, okay? And I'm so excited. I can't wait. Wait, I gotta get to my day first. You wanna see? Ugh. It's a little throat itch. Ew. That's choking. Don't do that, please. Thank you. And you know when I'm talking about you, I'll just think about you. Because you don't want to have to every nigga going to be every relationship advice because you don't have a divorce courtroom and look, you see piece of paper here when I realize and 10/16/17. That's nice number. And even in covenant then, I realize you've been hurt. Covenant then, and I'm so excited. Good. I get to my day first. And let me see. How are you this morning? And you want to drink water? And I am. You know what I want you to do? I want you to be good. You know what? And drink more water. Sorry, this a little throat. And 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 I just can't wait. Sick for me too. And look at that. You see what I'm talking about here? And this is my ceiling fan. And let's take a look at the TV. And you see this TV right here? See? Let me turn it on so I can hear it. Look. You see this door right here? I'll check the door, see what it was. You see that? And the best news. And you see what I'm talking about? This is my ceiling fan. You see this one? This is my ceiling fan. Pretty good. Bye. This is my ceiling fan.